Since it's an action series and maraming tension, if your character had a theme song na laging magpe-play every time na lalabas kayo,
Oh my
what
gosh.
theme song would you want yourself?
Ako po, every time
Prepared.
every time sino may action ako, talagang lagi kong piniplay yung Natural by Imagine Dragons po.
Wow!
Prepared na prepared.
Sobra.
Siguro ako yung Mission Impossible team song. Tan 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 tan. Kasi yun yung palagi ginagawa natin. Parang yun na-imagine ko. Para tayo mga mini Tom Cruise eh.
Yeah. I think one song I always found bagay para po sa buong series was Spoliarium by Razorheads. Yeah, just yung tunog na yan, yung creepiness of it, from the hostage takers to just the intenseness of the song. And yung lyrics din, medyo swak. Ewan natin, sino bang may pakana? Di ba?
Or Dongka by SB19.
Pwede din.
Angas din yun.
Kasi din.